So let's get this straight. You all got jobs because you took this course.
That's
Right.
right, yeah.
Because we went to your YouTube channel.
All four.
So we all didn't know that we took the course.
So actually Seth messaged me on LinkedIn and he asked, oh, you work at Directive Consulting? And I said, yes. And basically he said, okay, actually no, David, Brian, and JD also work there. And so I was like, really? Okay. And then I asked them, I was like, hey, did you guys take the course? And then we all had this huge conversation and we were all excited. And then Seth actually asked if we could have like an in-person interview here. So
And that's
now we're here.
That's right.
The interview yesterday was really fun. I mean, of course, like I was nervous, but honestly, being able to collaborate with everyone in the room and just actually hearing their thoughts and how they got there, I was actually really getting to know even my coworkers or my colleagues, which was really exciting. It was a great opportunity to really reflect and kind of meet those people who I look up to because, you know, they're so knowledgeable and in the industry, they're really big. And so it was really amazing to get to meet these people in person who helped me get this job.
I feel like we're negotiating a big deal.
For us to come from all different places, not knowing each other, yet all four of us, fantastic four. We ended up, you know, coming together and working at the same place. All of us are just so inquisitive and we're able to work that hard and kind of pursue something that we want and be successful from that. Yeah, this is actually my first job. I was studying psychology and then I actually came across your video where Seth was in it talking about his course and I decided just to try it out, you know, put the money down and see where it would lead me to, and I actually really enjoyed it. I put myself out there and I just took the time to study it on my own, and then I started freelancing, and then after almost a year I decided I want to take it more seriously, and then I looked for jobs, and then I found this agency that's really great opportunity.
You studied psychology in school. What training did you get in digital marketing? Was it just my course or was there anything else?
It was your course and also the other courses on like Udemy that you recommended, a lot of the blogs. Those are the only main courses I actually took, but yours was like the main course that helped me get my foot in the door.
I would say mostly what helped to get this job is the skills that we got from your course that we didn't get from college.
How does this job compare to previous jobs you guys have had in the past?
Before I got this job, I had a job in mind where I would use my creativity in my everyday work and I would work on different projects that weren't similar so I wouldn't get bored. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm using my creativity. I have clients from different areas, from different businesses, and I have to think outside of the box every day to find solutions to improve their businesses.
What do you guys like about working here?
The thing that I really like about working here is expectations are very consistent. They're very high. We all work really hard, and because we're all working really hard for our clients towards the same goal, it's a really great place to work.
I like getting challenged every day. Each day I feel like I'm growing from working with my peers and working with the accounts.
I don't know about my peers, but as soon as I got the job at Directive, I've been getting a lot of offers from different companies and I've been rejecting them because I love it here, but that just tells you that how much potential this job has and how much opportunity there's out there for PPC, SEO specialists, and overall digital marketing experts.
How often are recruiters contacting you through LinkedIn?
For me, it was like a few times a year. When first year in, after working a year, Google reached out asking if I wanted to interview for an account rep, and then the same thing happened the second year.
A couple times a quarter.
When I got the job, at least 1 to 2 times a week.
When I didn't even finish my profile on LinkedIn, I was already receiving messages about like once a week saying, hey, we need a PPC specialist, we see you have experience, can we set up an interview, which is pretty incredible.
So you were actually trained further on the job here at Directive
Yes,
Consulting.
yeah.
These clients are trusting us, their marketing budget for the month, for the whole year, and they're trusting our knowledge and expertise to deliver the goals that they have for their business. And it's a big responsibility for us to be able to fulfill their goals, but at the same time we're confident because we're constantly being supported by our team, by our CEO. Our directors are always supporting us. We have weekly meetings for account managers and PPC and SEO specialists. So we're not stuck in the same skills and knowledge. We constantly develop our skills and knowledge.
I mean, we're always learning in this industry. That's also a big thing that you need to know. You can't just stay stagnant and have like a fixed mindset. You always have to be wanting to learn more, researching on your own, and then we also always share articles with each other, like, hey, I learned this in this article on Search Engine Land or whatever it is. So I also appreciate that you kind of gave us the tools and the resources throughout your course, saying, hey, in this section, these are some good resources to check out. I looked at all of those and they really helped me.
Right?
She's saying that after you work here for a year, there's potential to work remote. What about that?
Yeah, that's true. And that's the great part about one of the perks of working at Directive Consulting. Within a year, you can work remote. And then also, if you're an account manager, you can work remote.
If you want to apply for a job at Direct Consulting, use my bullet link. At this point, we gotta set up a contract with these guys. We're sending them all this time.